I'm Disgust, and you're about to go on an emotional whirlwind. But first, I have to tell you this stuff. For your safety, remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside your memory movers at all times. Blah, blah, blah. Oh, one more thing. Be sure to watch your little ones. Now. Okay, are you happy now, Joy?
So happy. Thanks, Disgust.
Oh, yay, the emotional whirlwind is lifting off. Okay, so what that means is the spinning is about to start. So if that's your idea of fun, then yeah, go have fun. Oh, sure it's fun. It's like, oh my gosh, we're going nowhere. Remember, try to be cool.
You all look cool to me.
I don't know how to be cool!
Wow, thanks so much for screaming. You sure are an emotional bunch. Now please stay seated until the whirlwind comes to a complete stop. Then wait for one of our mind workers to open the door for you. Well, that wasn't so terrible. But you might want to check your hair, because wow.
Okay, it's time. Hold on tight, everybody. Emotional whirlwind is rising. This is gonna be fun. Let's make some happy memories. Come on, everyone. Time to find the fun.
Yeah, find the fun.
Woohoo! This sure is a whirlwind of fun.
Enjoy your jolly, fun-filled time!
Thanks, Sanger. Greatest day ever! Woo! We're winding down. Now please stay seated until the emotional whirlwind comes to a complete stop. Then wait for a mind worker to open your door. Okay, time to get these memories down to long term. Bye-bye!
Oh, so the emotional whirlwind is finally lifting off. Joy wants to call this the Happy Memory Development Program. So go on, make some happy memories! Just enjoy the ride! How hard is it?
Woo! Keep spinning!
What? I've had 3 churros and a coffee! This is madness!
Happiest memory ever!
You are all fearless, huh? You're my kind of people. The emotional whirlwind is about to end, so stay seated until your memory mover comes to a complete stop. Then wait for a mind worker to open your door and exit in an orderly fashion. Don't make me come down there.